Hello, welcome to Plain Sense Homestead. I'm Danny, and today we are going to talk about olive eggers. So this is one of our olive eggers here, our hens. We have a couple olive egger hens, and we have a rooster that's an olive egger. Olive eggers are docile, they're hardy, cold, and heat tolerant, and they're considered a standard size chicken. Oh, are you getting tired? It's okay. You get to be the movie star for a minute. Look at the camera. So olive eggers, they're hybrid. They're created by crossing a blue egg layer with a brown egg layer, like an Americana, something like that for the blue egg, and mix that with something that lays a brown, like a Marin. They interestingly they have earmuffs or tufts of hair right around their ears there, so you can possibly see that. Oh, don't be shy. It's okay. They lay about 150 to 200 eggs a year. They're not quite as the friendliest of all the birds that we have on the farm, but they're not bad. They're very very okay. So these are an example. We have two different hens, and they both lay slightly different colored eggs. So that's one of the possible downsides of an olive egger is that because they're a hybrid, you don't know exactly what you're going to get color-wise. Now, they're consistent with their colors between, once they start laying, one chicken will lay this color egg, this green, the other one will lay this more olive egg every single time. But as far as if you say I'm going to get an olive egger and I want a bluish egg, that's kind of unpredictable. So that's our olive eggers. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.